I recently got myself the Boox Go 7 and I am super impressed. In this video, I'll give you my thoughts about this device. I bought this device because I was tired of being locked into one reading ecosystem. I wanted an e-reader that will give me freedom and flexibility. This little device packs a punch, and in this video, I'll highlight the pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. Let's start with the design. The Go 7 is impressively thin, just 6.4 millimeters and weighs under 200 grams. That's lighter than most phones. You can use this for hours single-handedly and there is no hint of discomfort. What makes this device different? Well, it's got asymmetric bezel with physical page turn buttons. That's rare and welcome addition that improves grip and ergonomics. On the body, you can get USB-C with OTG support, a speaker, and a microSD card that supports up to 2 terabytes. That's unheard of in this category. Now let's talk about the display. Well, the 7-inch Carta 1300 e-ink screen is sharp. With 300 pixels per inch, text is crisp, ghosting is minimal, and contrast is excellent. It's one of the best monochrome panels available, but it's not perfect. Compared to Kindle, you'll notice Kindle's blacks look deeper. That's likely due to its coatings and software tweaks. So while the Go 7 has better hardware, Kindle might still win on pure text depth. But honestly, this difference is barely noticeable. Unless you are an e-ink nerd, you won't notice it. The front light system is fully adjustable, from cool blue to warm amber, great for late night reading. Just a heads up, if you choose the white bezel, it can reflect light and create a halo effect in dark mode. So the black bezel avoids this and it's better for outdoors use as well. Now here's where the Go 7 really shines: software. It runs Android 13 and gives you full access to the Google Play Store. That means you can install Kindle, Kobo, Libby, and more, all on one device. You're not stuck with one system. You have freedom and open access to all the platforms, just like any other tablet. Boox Go 7 supports nearly every file format: EPUB, PDF, CBR, CBZ, and you name it. No conversions, no restrictions. You can read PDFs on it too, especially in landscape mode. That said, I would recommend larger screens for serious PDF reading. Boox also includes advanced refresh settings and app management tools. You can freeze background apps to save battery or tweak refresh rates for smoother scrolling. To make Android apps work smoothly on e-ink, Boox includes 3 refresh modes. Recommend, that lets the system choose the best setting. Fast refresh, ideal for quick scrolling like browsing. Customize, lets you mix and match settings. I personally use recommend, and for most people that just works fine. Feel free to experiment and see what works best for you. This gives you powerful flexibility, but with great power comes complexity. The interface can feel scattered, especially if you're used to the simplicity of Kindle or Kobo. It's a learning curve, but one that pays off if you want full control. Under the hood, the Go 7 packs a Snapdragon octa-core processor and 4 GB of RAM. That's serious power for an e-ink device. It's fast, responsive, and handles multitasking well. Unless you're editing photos or rendering videos on it, you won't have performance issues. But here's the catch: battery life. With a 2300 mAh battery and full Android OS, you'll be charging this every 1 to 2 days under heavy use. That's far from the weeks-long battery life of traditional e-readers like Kindle. If battery wasn't an issue, I would give this device a 10 out of 10. But yes, it drains faster than Kindle. Let's talk Stylus. Well, I'll be honest, I haven't used this with a stylus and I have no intention of using InkSense. Call me traditional, but I like my Wacom technology, so I'm using this primarily for reading. And if you're happy with InkSense pens, well, this should work well. The 7-inch screen isn't ideal for for serious note-taking. From what I've heard, there are some latency issues and the tapping sound can be distracting. Let's just say you can't expect the Wacom experience. Compared to similar devices, the Go 7 costs about $50 more than the Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition, but you get Android, Stylus support, expandable storage, and physical buttons. Compared to Kobo Libra 2, the Go 7 is faster and more flexible, but Kobo's interface is simpler and its battery lasts a long time. Here's a quick breakdown of pros and cons. So pros, it's got Android 13 and Google Play. Fast performance, Carta 1300 excellent display. Physical buttons, expandable storage, stylus support. What about some cons? Well, short battery life, higher price, complex interface, limited writing experience, white bezel halo effect, and no Wacom. The Boox Go 7 isn't for everyone. If you just want to read books with minimal fuss, well, stick with Kindle or Kobo. But if you are a power user, a manga fan, or someone who wants total freedom from closed ecosystems, well, this is the most capable, compact e-reader you can buy. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more e-ink reviews, and let me know in the comments below, what do you think of this device?